re.findall. It is actually used for matching and extracting. Let me first try for the digits. Example number 1. Input RE. RE means the regular expression. R stands for the regular, E stands for the expression. So first to input the RE library in Python. RE is the library. We input RE library in the Python. And then X equals to, he got 80 marks. And then Y equals to re.findall of 0 up to 9 inside the close bracket with a plus sign, comma, X. And then take the print of Y. So its output will be 80 inside the close brackets. Look, we are using re.findall expression here. From re we mean regular expression. Look, we are doing the matching and extracting process. So we check for the digits. We check for the digits here. To do so, the first thing that you're gonna do is to import the RE library, regular expression library. Simply import RE library here. Now X equals to, he got 80 marks. So this is the statement inside the quotes. Use this expression re.findall of 0 up to 9. 0 up to 9 inside the close bracket plus comma X. We'll check the digit from 0 up to 9. Plus sign means that it will repeat one or more times. Here is the plus sign. Repeat a character one or more times. But greedy, it is greedy. It can be character, it can be integer. It is not necessary that it must be a character, it can be integer. So you repeat a digit in my case one or more times, but it is a greedy. And then comma X. What is X? X is this whole expression. This whole expression has been named with the variable X. So whenever I want to access this information, I'm gonna call X only. So rather than to put all this stuff here, you simply put X, comma X. And then take the print of Y. So when you take the print of Y, you will get 80. What are the digits here in this statement? The regular expression, the program will check the digits from 0 up to 9 in these statements. Here it is 80. Look, it will only pick the digits because it has been specified in the expression, in the regular expression, that we are talking about only the digits from 0 up to 9 inside the close bracket. So it will only pick these two digits out of this whole statement. Now look to the plus sign. From the plus sign we mean that repeat the digit one or more times, but it is greedy. Look, from 0 up to 9 we can pick only 8, but it is greedy. It will pick the other 0 as well. It won't leave any digit. This expression will pick all these integers and will put it here and will show you in the output because it is a greedy. The integer repeats here 8 and then 0. So we have all the digits here in the output because of this expression, because of this regular expression. So I hope you got the point now.